When it comes to CPU block designs, I mean, Alphacool have some of the best looking ones in the game. Not to mention the fact that they're Alphacool, so they're also some of the best performing ones. And now they have a brand new series to add to that, which is their Core 1 Pro series. They're based on a special Core 1 cooling technology. This one won't be just compatible with things like, your AM4, AM5, your standard consumer sockets, but you can also get it for TR4, as well as LGA 4677 and SP5 as well. So no matter if it's a consumer or enterprise system, well, you can get for yourself one of these. And of course, if you want to really spruce it up, then you have all sorts of really awesome designs, which I really feel like they set this up for me. I have a thing for the color purple, and look at these. And you can see black, white, and with a bit of extra pizzazz, I guess, depending on what exactly you want for your build and what the other components in your system are like. They'll be coming out very soon after Computex, so you don't have to wait long until you can get one of these. And again, you can get them for pretty much any socket, so no matter what system you have, if you're custom water cooling, then these things could be a really good contender. So which one of these designs is your favorite and which one would you want to get? Well, let me know down in the comments below. Huge thanks to Gavin Burns, Justin Rage, Alan Froniak, Balaj Roka, Nala Sudin, Meg Sondershine, Orcraft and Mason Magruder.